आज का हमारा टॉपिक है प्रोथ्रोम्बिन टाइम, PTT एंड PT. Prothrombin time, it measures how long it takes to form a clot in a blood sample. ठीक, ये क्या मेजर करता है? ये मेजर करता है कि एक ब्लड सैंपल को कितना टाइम लगेगा क्लॉट बनने में. ठीक, PT इज़ अ प्रोटीन मेड बाय द लिवर. जो PT होता है वो एक प्रोटीन होता है जो लिवर बनाता है. It is one of the several substances known as clotting and coagulation factors. When a person sustains an injury that causes bleeding, the clotting factors work together to form a blood clot. ठीक, how fast the blood clots depends on the amount of clotting factors in your blood and whether they are working properly or not. If the blood clots too slowly, a person may bleed too much after an injury. If the blood clots too fast, dangerous clots may form in the arteries and veins. A PT test helps to diagnose the cause of bleeding and clotting disorders. Now, uses of PT test. It is used to see how well warfarin is working. Warfarin is blood thickening medicine used to prevent dangerous clots. A PT test is used to find out the reasons for abnormal blood clots. It is used to find out the reason for unusual bleeding, to check clotting function before surgery, to check for liver problems. Signs and symptoms of bleeding and clotting disorders. Symptoms of bleeding disorders: unexplained heavy bleeding, bruising, unusual heavy nose bleeding, unusual heavy menstrual periods in a woman. Symptoms of clotting disorders: leg pain and tenderness, swelling of leg, redness on legs, or trouble in breathing and chest pain, rapid heartbeat. Now procedure. The blood is drawn in a test tube containing liquid sodium citrate, which acts as an anticoagulant by binding the calcium in the sample. The blood is mixed and centrifuged to separate blood cells from the plasma. A sample of plasma is taken from the test tube and is placed in a measuring test tube. An excess of calcium is added to the test tube, which reverses the effect of sodium citrate and enables the blood to clot again. Finally, tissue factor, also known as factor 3, is added and the time taken by the sample to clot is measured. Normal value होता है PT का 11 to 13.5 seconds.